just got delivery of a parcel from AliExpress. मुझे actually पता नहीं क्या parcel है because मैंने दो चीज़ें order किया AliExpress से. I've ordered an Anker Soundcore Q45 headphones, which is basically launched for $150 in August. They were giving a very good deal in AliExpress. I got a $122 including delivery charges to Dubai. And another one is the Insta360 X3. It was launched for $449 by Insta360, but unfortunately for Dubai it becomes $530 plus extra. I've ordered it. I don't know whether it still come. Which of these two is this? It's my first gadget in 4 years. Though I bought a S22 Ultra in April this year, but somebody in India, my great India, stole it. So that cost me around $1,200 for buying it. And whoever stole it, I can say, have a great life, brother. You stole mine. I'm 100% sure you lose 10 times more than that. I'm not going to curse you anything, but you can understand. Anyway, I'm just excited to open it. Actually don't know what it is. I think it's an Anker one, but the box is too big. I don't think this Insta360 will come in a big box because I've taken the basic package. Wow, it's very difficult to open it. Wow, the packing is brilliant. Okay, here you go. Yep, I think it is the Anker. Yes, it is the Anker. My goodness, I don't like these packings. It's so tough to open these things. But anyway, got it in a record time of 10 days. I have bought stuff from AliExpress before, so I actually recommend using AliExpress. There are other people who use Trading Engine and GiftTop. I've tried all those, but somehow AliExpress have more stuff. What I like, yeah, it is the Anker Q45. It's a Space Q45, it's the latest series. For $150, it got good reviews online from all the reviewers. So the bubble wrap is too strong. My goodness. Wow. Here you go. Anker Q45, Space Q45. So let me just try it out. I will do a review very soon, and yeah, excited for this. Thank you. I'm just going to unbox it at the moment. I think the lighting is much better. Unfortunately, I don't have the setup of the professional people. Okay, here goes another plastic wrapping. Here you can see noise cancelling, cancel playtime extended, Space Q45 wireless noise cancellation headphones. High-res audio, wireless, high-res audio, adaptive ENC, and claims up to have 98% noise reduction and at 50 hours playing time. Okay, here you go. And how do I remove this? Like I said, it is for $150. But if you buy it from, and there are some other specs on the back. Adaptive ANC, 50 hours playback time, high-res sound via double layer diaphragm drivers, AI enhanced calls via 2 mics, reduces noise up to 98%, and customizable transparency mode. See, is there any plastic anywhere? I don't think so. And yeah, here it is coming out. Should be anywhere any plastic? No plastic. It's got an app support. It's got up to 70 hours of playback without ANC. It's got quick charge. I'm just trying to open this box. It's kind of finally I managed to open it. This is how it comes. Soundcore. And what is in this? I think it's a booklet in Chinese, which I don't understand. And you get that's it in the box. It's good in a way. You as you know, the new Apple AirPod Max $550 headphones come in the bra-like of case. This is like the old Sony type of case. Here you go. This is the headphones. This is a silica gel, and these are the cables. It comes with, I guess, a 3.5 to 3.5 headphone jack, so that you can plug it into your phone, and it comes with a USB Type-C cable, which is small. Let me just try it out. Yep, very small cable. No, it's a good cable, good size cable. And you get this 3.5 to 3.5 dongle if you want to use it in your phone. but nowadays, as you know, most of the phones don't come with it except for Sony and Asus phones and some gaming Android phones. That's it. No, this cable is not at all needed. It's good in a way. Apple is still giving you, as you know, the lightning port with all their headphones. And I've just opened it, and here it is. This has the look of the old Sony XM4s. As you know, the new ones has gone for Apple type of things where you cannot fold it up. It seems pretty good quality. Anyway, I'll just try it out and then I'll come and do a review later. Anyhow, thank you for sticking around, liking my channel. Encourage small creators like us, like me and many other upcoming creators, so that we can grow and we give genuine, honest reviews, because we buy this with our own money and we don't get any review samples. Thank you.